morning! Today is a B-I-G day. Time to plow the fields and plant rice, carrots, and apples. Farmer clothes on. Time to do some serious farm work. Quick breakfast. I need lots of energy for plowing today. What a beautiful day for farming. The fields are waiting to be plowed. 3 fields to plow today. Rice field, carrot patch, and apple orchard. Let's get Big Red started. Good morning, Big Red. Ready to plow some fields today? We have a big job today, Big Red. Let's plow all 3 fields. Up we go! Time to start the engine. Okay, Big Red, let's go plow those fields. Starting engine now. What's wrong, Big Red? That doesn't sound good. Oh no! Big Red won't start! The engine is broken! Big Red needs to be fixed before we can plow. I need to find the problem. Don't worry, Big Red. I'll fix ya. First, let me check what's wrong. Let me open the hood and look at the engine. Okay, let me see what's happening in here. Something must be wrong.
The oil dipstick. Let me check. Oh, the oil is almost empty. Big Red needs more oil.
And the spark plug. It's all dirty and worn out. That's why Big Red can't start. Okay, problem 1 needs oil. Problem 2 needs new spark plug. I can fix both. I'm gonna fix Big Red. Then we can plow all the fields. Let's do this. To the workshop! I need my toolbox, oil, and a new spark plug.
Move. Good luck fixing Big Red, Luffy. You can do it.
Thanks, Daisy. I'll have Big Red running in no time. My workshop. Everything I need to fix Big Red is in here. Let me get what I need. And toolbox, oil, and a new spark plug. Toolbox, check. This has all my wrenches and screwdrivers. Fresh oil, check. Big Red's engine needs this to run smoothly. New spark plug, Kay, check. This shiny new one will help Big Red start. And clean rags to wipe everything. Now I have everything I need. I'm coming, Big Red. Time to fix you up. Okay, everything organized and ready. Let's start fixing Big Red. First job, add fresh oil. Tractors need oil to keep the engine parts moving smoothly. First, I unscrew the oil cap. Nice and careful. Pour the oil slowly and carefully. Not too much, not too little. Let me check the dipstick. Perfect! The oil level is just right now. Oil cap back on tight. First job done. Now for the spark plug. Now I need my spark plug wrench. This special tool removes and installs spark plugs. Turning the wrench slowly. There. The old spark plug is out. Look, the old one is dirty and worn out. The new one is clean and shiny. That's why Big Red couldn't start. New spark plug goes in, nice and straight. Hand tight first. Now tighten with the wrench. Snug, but not too tight. Perfect! Let me wipe everything clean. A clean engine is a happy engine. Hood closed. Now let's see if Big Red will start.
Time for the big test. Please work, Big Red.
Here we go. Okay, Big Gun done. Please start Big Red. Red. Yay! Big Red is running. I fixed it. I did it. Fresh oil and new spark plug. Now Big Red runs perfectly. Momo!
You did it, Luffy.
Big Red sounds great. Thanks, Daisy. Now we can plow the fields. Big Red is fixed. Now I need to attach the plow so we can turn the soil. To the equipment shed. That's where I keep the plow. Here's my plow. This tool digs into the soil and turns it over. See these curved blades? They dig into the ground and flip the soil over. This makes the soil soft for planting. Backing up carefully. I need to line up the hitch perfectly. Connecting the hitch. Click! Perfect fit. Safety pin in. Always make sure the plow is attached safely.
Look at that! Big Red with the plow attached. We're ready to work.
Let's go plow some fields. First stop, Maine, the rice field. Off to the rice field. Rice needs special wet soil to grow. Here's the rice field. See how flat and wet it is? Perfect for growing rice.
Lowering the plow. Hear me, the blades need to touch the soil.
The blades are digging in. Here we go.
Look at the soil turning over. The plow makes it soft and ready for planting. End of the row. Turning around for the next one.
Row after row. The field is looking great.
The rice field is all plowed. Now I need to plant the rice seedlings.
Raising the plow. Now I'll get the rice seedlings. Here are the rice seedlings. These little plants will grow into tall rice plants. See these little green plants? They're baby rice plants. We plant them in the wet soil and they grow tall. Into the water I go. Rice grows in shallow water. Push the seedling into the soft, wet soil. Gentle but firm. One seedling, another seedling, keeping them in a nice straight row. The rice field is planted. All those seedlings will grow into rice for eating. Beautiful. Rice field, idea one, done. Now let's go plow the carrot field. Carrots grow underground. Off to the carrot field. Carrots need deep, loose soil to grow their roots. Here's the carrot field. See how the soil is dry and hard? I need to plow it to make it soft. Carrots grow D-O-N into the soil. The orange part we eat is actually the R-oat, so R-oot. Lowering the plow. Time to make this soil nice and soft for carrots. The plow is breaking up the hard soil, making it soft and fluffy. Row after row, the soil is getting nice and loose. The carrot field is plowed. Now the soil is soft, ain't perfect for carrots to grow deep. Plow up! Now for the carrot seeds! These tiny seeds will grow into big orange carrots. Amazing, right? Such small seeds make such yummy vegetables. I make little trenches in the soil. This is where the seeds will go. Drop the seeds in the trench. Not too close together. Carrots need room to grow. Seed, seed, seed. Nice and spaced out. The carrots will have room to get big. Now I cover the seeds with soil. Gently, like tucking them into bed. Seeds need water to wake up and start growing. Drink up, little seeds. The carrot field is planted. Those little seeds will grow into delicious orange carrots. Amazing! Rice field done. Carrot field done. Now for the apple orchard. Time to plant TREEs. To the orchard! Apple trees take years to grow, but they give apples for many, many years. Here's the orchard area. I don't need to plow the whole thing. Just dig holes for each tree. For trees, I need to dig big holes. My shovel is perfect for this job. These are apple saplings, baby apple trees. They'll grow big and give us yummy red apples. Dig, dig, dig. The hole needs to be wide and deep for the tree roots. Perfect hole. Nice and deep for the tree roots to spread out. Carefully lower the baby tree into the hole. Make sure it stands up straight. Fill the hole with soy. Pack it gently around the roots. The tree needs to stand strong. New trees are very thirsty. Drink up, little apple tree. Grow big and strong. Dig another hole. Plant another tree. Each tree will give us so many apples. Tree number 3 goes in. Careful and straight. Water for you and you and you. Every tree needs a drink. The apple orchard is planted. In a few years, these trees will be full of red apples.
Grow big and strong, little trees. I'll take care of you, and one day you'll give us delicious.
Wow! Look at all my hard work! Rice field, carrot field, and apple orchard date all planted. Whew, that was hard work, fixing the tractor and plowing all those fields. But so worth it.
Luffy, you did so much today. You fixed Big Red and planted 3 fields.
Thanks, Daisy. Thank you, Big Red. You worked so hard today pulling the plow. You're the best tractor. Now all we have to do is wait. The rice will grow tall, the carrots will grow underground, and the apple trees will grow big. Rice grows in water. The seedlings will get taller and taller and make grains of rice we can eat. Carrots grow DOON into the soil. We'll see green leafy tops above ground, but the yummy orange part grows underground. Apple trees take a long time to grow. But once they're big, they make apples every year for many, many years. Time to head home. We all worked hard today. Ooh, back in your spot, Big Red. You did an amazing job today. Let me detach the plow. Big Red needs to rest without the heavy plow. All always clean your tools after using them. A clean plow lasts longer. Plow cleaned and stored. Ready for next time. And a nice wipe down for Big Red. You're shiny and clean again.
Rest well, Big Red. Thank you for all your hard work today. You're the best tractor ever.
Toolbox back where it belongs. A good farmer keeps everything organized. What a day! I'm so tired, but so happy. We fixed the tractor and planted 3 whole fields. Moo, you must be thirsty after all that work, Luffy. Here's some cool water.
Oh, Daisy, thank you so much. That water is so refreshing. Thank you, Daisy. You're a great friend.
Look at that beautiful sun cell, Daisy. What a perfect end to a perfect day. The farm looks beautiful in the evening light. I'm so proud of today's work. Fresh hay for you, Daisy. You deserve it for being such a good friend.
Thank you, Luffy.
Dinner time, chickens. Here's some yummy grain. Everyone is fed and happy. That makes M.E. happy.
What did I learn today? So many things!
Lesson 1. When something breaks, don't give up. Try to fix it. I fixed Big Red, and we got all our work done. Lesson 2. Take care of your tools. Change the oil, clean the plow, store everything properly. Good tools last a long time. Lesson 3. Different plants need different things. Rice needs water. Carrots need deep soil. Trees need big holes. Lesson 4. Hard work feels great. When you work hard all day and see what you accomplished, it's the best feeling. And most importantly, be patient. Seeds take time to grow, but good things are worth waiting for. What a beautiful sunset! What a beautiful day!
Stars are coming out. Time to head inside and rest. Good night, Daisy. Sleep well.
Moo! Good night, Luffy. Great job today. Good night, Big Red. You worked so hard today. Rest well, my friend. Time to go home. I'm so tired, but so happy. Home at last. What a wonderful day of farming. Off come the boots. My feet worked hard today. Washing off all the dirt. Farming is messy, but F-U-N. Dinner tastes extra good after a hard day of work.
So sleepy. Time for pajamas and bed. Cozy bed. My body is so tired, but my heart is so happy.
What a day! Fixed Big Red. Plowed rice, carrots, apples. All by myself with my tractor.
I can't wait to see the rice grow tall, the carrots get big, the apple trees full of fruit.
Good night, farm. Good night, Big Red. Good night, plants. See you tomorrow.
Good morning! I feel great. Time to check on my plants. Farmer clothes on! I can't wait to see how my plants are doing. Let's go see the plants. I hope they're starting to grow. Good morning, Big Red. How did you sleep? Ready for another day? First, let's check the rice field. I wonder how the seedlings are doing. The rice seedlings look great. They're standing tall in the water, growing nicely. Look at those beautiful green leaves. The rice is growing. Amazing! Now let's check the carrot field. Did the seeds start growing? The carrot field looks the same on top, but the seeds are working hard underground, growing roots. Carrots are special. We can't SEE them growing because they grow down into the soil. Soon we'll see green tops appear. Last stop tag, the apple orchard. Let's see how the baby trees are doing. The apple trees look healthy. Their leaves are green and happy. They'll grow big and strong. Good morning drink for the baby trees. Grow big and give us yummy apples someday. All three fields are doing great. The rice, carrots, and apples are all growing. Good morning, Luffy. How are your plants doing?
Great, Daisy. Everything is growing.
Look, Daisy. Rice in the water, carrots underground, apple trees growing tall. All thanks to Big Red and hard work. Today I need to water all the plants, check on the animals, and maybe do some weeding. Another busy farm day. Did you enjoy learning about fixing tractors and plowing fields? Farming is so much fun. Remember, when something breaks, don't give up. Try to fix it and work hard to grow your own food. It's the best feeling. What a beautiful farm! What wonderful friends! What amazing plants growing! Thanks for watching my farm adventure. Did you like fixing the tractor and plowing the fields? Give us a big like if you learned something new. And SHRE with your friends who love tractors and farming.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you in the next video.
Next time, we might harvest the crops. Or maybe a new animal will visit the farm. Who knows what adventure awaits? Don't forget, subscribe and hit that bell. That way you'll know when new Monkey Farm videos come out. Thank you for watching. Come back to visit our farm soon.
Daisy loves all our friends.
Even the chickens want to say goodbye. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Goodbye, friends. Remember, work hard, be patient, and take care of your tools. See you next time on Monkey Farm. I love you all. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
A kiss for all my friends watching.
Let's celebrate. What a great farming day.